How to invert colors in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this sample text here and this vector image, and I'm just gonna drag and copy them down here so we can see what I mean. Okay, now I'm gonna select the text first to show you, and I'm gonna go up here to where it says edit and just go to edit colors after that, and then I want to click on invert colors. As you can see, it turned the black text into white. And now if I click on the subscribe button here, I can go back to edit colors, invert colors, and it will invert the colors like that. This can be useful when you want to, let's say a logo, you want to turn it from black to white. You have different versions of it, and you don't want to go through every color and so on and change it. You can just select it and go to invert colors, and it will invert them right away for you. And that's how you invert colors in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.